Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Asian Programmer. So today the lecture is all about one of the requests of my subscriber. He asked me to convert normal counting into a Roman counting. So I have decided to make this lecture for him. So I will try to make this program on a broader perspective. So I will make the counting from 1 to 5 million into Roman counting. So let's start with the program. You have to make a function called which will return a vector string, and the name of the function will be the task which it will gonna perform into Roman, in which we will just pass a number, an integer number. That's it. Now we have to make an array of numbers till we have to make the particular task. Let's say the biggest number I found on numerals on the internet is 1 million. So let's go with the 1 million. So 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then half a million. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 50,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 10,000. Okay. Okay, I got it. Then 10,000. Then 9,000. Nope. Then 5,000. 5,000. Then 1,000. Then 900. Then 500, then 400, then 100, then 90, then 50, 40, 10, 9, 5, 4, 1. Okay, that's it. That's gonna be the counting which will gonna require me to make the normal integers of 1 to 5 million into a Roman counting. So now we have to make a string array as well for the Roman ones, which will gonna be like, so 1 million is called M dash, so capital M dash, comma, half a million is called L dash, comma, nope, it's D dash, my bad, sorry, it's D dash. Now 100,000 is C dash. Oops, I opened something else. 100,000 is C dash. 50,000 is L dash. 50,000 is L dash. 10,000 is X dash. 5,000 is B dash. 5,000 is B dash. 1,000 is M. 900 is CM. Okay, 1,000 is M, 9 is EM. Then we have to go to 5. 5 is D. 500 is D. Then for the 400, CD. Okay, then for the 100 is C. I guess it's C. Because D is like 500, so it must be C. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, 100 is C. Then after 100 we have to do the 90. 90 would be XC. Okay, XC. So we just did 90 for the XC. Then for 50, what is 50? 50 would be L, I guess. Let me confirm it. Yeah, 50 is L. Then we have 40. What is 40? 40 is XL. Okay, 40 is XL. Then we have 10. 10 is X. Then we have 9. 9 is IX. Then we have 5. 5 is B. Then we have 4. IV. Then we have 1, which is I. Yeah, so we just make the two arrays now. That will be the things which we need to which we have it before we do any particular program on that. So that is the two arrays which we will need before we could make the conversion. So after we have this particular arrays, now let's do the program stuff. Let's make a vector string and called sp. Now I have to make a for loop. Integer I is equal to 0, I less than, okay, wait, let me get the size first. Integer size will equal to number, no, size of number. Size of number, size of the function which give the size of a particular array, and we have to divide with size of number of zeroth index. Number, oops, number, yep. So it will give the size. I will just run the loop till the size. Now inside it we have to do a function while we have to do another function. So while number minus number array of I is greater than equal to 0, okay, is 0, then what we have to do, we just have to like push back, yeah, push back the Roman of I. Okay, that's good. Now we just have to minus that particular number from the total number. It will be like number 5. Yep, that's it, I guess so. And we have to return the vector as well, the sp. Okay, let's make another vector called string with the name result. Okay, now we just have to pass into Roman function. The number would be like 199, and we have to get that result in the result vector. Now we have to just print it out for integer I equals 0, I less than result dot size I plus plus cout result of I. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I guess it should work. Let's run it. So 199 would be CXCIX. So the XCIX is 99. So C is equal to 100. So yeah, it's perfect. Let's give it another try. 499. So 499 would be what's XE XCD? Yeah, CD, because 400 is CD. Yeah, I got it. So the CD and that 99 particular XCIX. Okay, that's perfect. Let's go a bit higher now. How about 4099? 999. Yep, it gives the right answer as well. Okay, let's go about 1 million. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1 million. Yeah, M dash. M dash is 1 million. Let's say 4 million. It should give like 4 M dash. Yep, that's it for today. I hope you like it, and do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.